Part 4. The circumference or the perimeter of a circle. You will find this on page 243 in the Namibia Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Circle. A circle is a plane shape, a two-dimensional, bounded by a continuous line which is always the same distance from the center. The following terms are used to describe a circle. The circumference, the distance around the circle, the perimeter of the circle. The center, there, the fixed point from where a circle can be drawn. The radius, the distance from the center of a circle to the circumference, from the center to the circumference. A sector, this part. A sector of a circle bounded by two radii and an arc. So two radii and an arc, that is forming the sector. Diameter, there. A straight line passing through the center of the circle to touch both sides of the circumference, twice as long as the radius. So from one side to the other side through the center, and it's twice as long as the radius. A chord. A straight line joining 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So it's also joining 2 points, but it's not going through the center. A segment, this part, a segment of a circle bounded by a chord and an arc. So a chord and an arc. So the difference between a segment and a sector is two radii and the arc. A segment is just a chord and an arc. An arc, a section of the circle, it's actually part of the circumference. So this is very important that you know all these different words to describe a circle. Okay, let's go through the next one. So in the investigation, we see that the circumference of a circle divided by its diameter always comes close to a particular value. This value is approximately 3,14. The number is called pi. Pi is a Greek letter. We read it as pi, or some people say p. To see the value of pi on your calculator, press pi, the key pi, and equal. And then you will see the full irrational number. So pi is an amazing number, which you will learn much more about later. Can you believe it never stops and never recurs? So basically, it's keep on dividing, and it's going on, and there's no pattern in these numbers. In grade 8, we usually take the value of pi to be 3,14. It's approximated, or 22/7. But it's not the real pi. It's just an approximation of pi. So thus, the circumference divided by the diameter will be equal to pi. So the circumference will be equal to pi multiply the diameter, or 2 times pi multiply the radius. So that is the formula how you will find the circumference. Example 6. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 14. So we can just use that formula. Take pi as 22/7. So basically, it's pi times the diameter. Take the pi as 22/7 times 14, and now you can even cancel out. 7 going 1, 7 going 2, and 22 times 2 will be 44 centimeters. Okay, I want you to stop the video, and I want you to do try now 6. You can just do number B. Okay, let's do it. Try now 6. Number B. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 7 and take pi as 22/7. So, to find the circumference of the circle, we can write it out. And usually, it's just the perimeter, but with a circle, we call it the circumference. And we're going to use that. It's pi times the diameter, or D. And that is just going to be now this 22/7 times, remember the diameter is 7. Oh, let's just do that, multiply better. We can put it over 1, and then we can cancel out 1, 1, and the final answer will just be 22, and it's in meters. So it will be 22 meters. That's the final answer. Okay, let's look at example 7. The radius of a circle is 10.5 centimeters. Find its circumference. So I can either first take the radius and multiply 2 to get the diameter, or I can just use this formula. So it's 2 times the radius multiplied pi, because 2 times the radius will be the diameter. And I just substitute and I just cancel out, and my final answer will be 66 centimeter. Okay, I want you to try now 7. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Oh, let's just redo that. So this will be try now 7. Okay, the radius of a circular pond is 17. So remember, the radius, we can write it down, is 17.5 meters. Find the circumference. So remember, if I want to find the circumference, okay, let's just the remember, we're going to use that formula, 2 times pi times the radius. And that will be 2 times, we're going to use 22 over 7, and with the radius will be 17.5. Okay, and now 2 times 17.5 will give me, okay, so that's 22. You can use your calculator, but that will be 35 over 1. And then we can basically say that 7 go in 1 time and 7 go in 5 times, and the answer will just be 110 centimeters. And we can end this, and it's not centimeters. Let's just redo that. It will be meters. Oh, let's just get the pen. And we can say the circumference. Oh, I'm struggling to write here. This is circumference, and that is 110 meters. That's the final answer.